What's up guys, I'm back. I got some Hermes stuff, did some shopping for my fiance because it's Valentine's Day. Tiffany Cole actually kindly offered a handwritten small letter, so thank you very much for this. Very cute idea. First one, it is Twilly. Ta-da! So this Twilly is a new version of it. It's very long. If you guys look at this very closely right here, this is a small Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. So I do have 3 Cavalier King Charles Spaniel myself. And as soon as I saw Cavalier King Charles Spaniel jumping inside this Twilly, I said, nah, I don't really care what I'm gonna use this for. I'm just going to get it. So here you go. So I got this one right here. The next one in the list is this little one. This is actually our very first Hermes jewelry. As I said, this is a very special one, apparently very hard to get. And then this was a little H earrings, very elegant, just like an everyday earring piece. I really don't think you can go wrong wearing this, to be honest. So just to show up close here, right there. So my fiance loved it, I loved it, so we just grabbed this one. So our very first jewelry from Hermes. So next one is this big one here. Just to tell you, this is not a bag. We actually couldn't get any bag this time. So here you go. So this one we actually unboxed it before because we actually had to make sure the size is actually correct. So it's a loafer with a Kelly buckle. Very pretty. As soon as I saw this one, I was like, oh, we have to get this one. My fiance actually wanted to get the Oasis sandal. Yes, it was really nice, but we already have very similar style. So I was like, oh, why don't you just have just one more loafer? Very nice neutral color. Overall, this part is kind of like a chai, and this one's kind of like gray. And this part is like white. And the sole it looks like made out of a wood, but I'm really not sure if it's a real wood or not. And it's a platinum hardware, it's a Kelly buckle. I asked Esther if this one does anything. It doesn't do anything, but it does unbuckle, she said. Oh, yeah, so this part unbuckles, but this part obviously doesn't. So this is really there for decor. It's a full leather, so we do have to take care of it. I don't think we can just wear it like every day kind of, but it would be really nice for like a small date or like even for a dressy occasion. This one will be absolutely perfect. Now the last one is this one. So this one is the highlight of today. And we also didn't expect to get this one, but that's what happens at Hermes. This one is a watch. Our very first Hermes timepiece. So it actually comes in a more special box with a flag like this. So this watch is Nantucket gold color. Here you go. So this is not a automatic, so this is run by the battery. The SA told me that the battery will run about 2 years, and it comes with 2 years free battery replacement or any kind of warranty or repair. The thing that I really liked about it is how light this one is. Well, being quartz, it has to be quite light. And we were tossing between this one and the Cartier's tank. The Cartier's tank, from a memory, the price was $4,750, and this one was $3,850. So it's about $1,000 less, but you get to have a timepiece from Hermes. So, and also this leather, yes, of course, it's handcrafted from Hermes, and of course I value Hermes leather more than Cartier's leather. I'm not sure if there is a true quality difference, I just feel that way. So if I'm going to get a quartz watch from a brand shop, I thought, why not just Hermes, because we just love the brand so much. And also, because this one is so thin and delicate and also very understated, so this makes my fiance very easy to actually wear this for everyday purposes. So she can wear it to work, she can wear it to wherever. She does have other watches, but they are quite bling and shiny, so she doesn't find it too comfortable to wear for everyday purposes. So this one was just absolute perfect replacement, and I have no regret whatsoever buying this. In fact, we were actually looking for this since last year. We went to Melbourne store, we went to Sydney store, and they actually didn't have it, or at least not with the leather and the basic model. They had some fine jewelry section with Nantucket or Cape Cod, but then the price point was a little bit out of the reach. So this, I was very glad that we found this, and then we were more than happy to take this one home. So I'll probably shoot some videos of my fiance wearing this one, and the earrings and the shoes, just to see how they actually look in the real world. Otherwise, this is all I was going to show you today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll come back to you for more unboxing video. Thank you. Bye bye.